Oh, hello. Good evening, members. It has been a long time I did not upload any video. Okay, so because quite a busy in the early of the year. Okay, so concentrate learning in this stock market. Okay. However, we will start from now. We'll try to have a regular update about every week. Okay, so to have some update about Malaysia stock. Okay. So we will start with our KLC, NME KLCI. So everyone know this week we have a very good progress after we have break up 1552. Now we are now heading to 1600. So this one is really a how to say almost a few years already. We did not uh, um, come back to this level. I think last is when last is April 2002, 22. Okay, so this is about more than 2 years already. Okay, so now it's in May. Okay, so but however, I think that is in a short term. I think that is quite a possible. We might touch back to 1600. But one thing that I need to share here is we need to be extra be careful with the market. Okay, so when you are logged into this trade VSA. Okay, this one you can see that this is the sector analysis. Okay, sector, and you can see that all sector is in green Pentagon, only except finance. Okay, so and this finance. Okay, so last close on Friday, we have another upthrust coming in. Okay, so what as we know that in Malaysia actually this is a few things that are supporting the entire of our market. Okay, the first one actually is the finance. Okay, the first one is the finance. The second one would be the energy, energy, and also plantation. Okay, plantation. Okay, this all is our source of income. Energy and plantation is our major income. Okay, before we are talking about electronic export, import, everything. Actually, this is the main core of our main source of income. Okay, so but you can see that now currently finance supposed to be the first that will push up our index. But however, now the currently our index has been pushed by mainly is by YTL, the Naga. Okay, as I said say in the group earlier, if you don't have any stock to purchase, then you can look into the Naga. Okay, it's not recommended or to sell and buy stock here. Here actually is focus on education on how to read chart. Yeah. Okay, so this is some declare here. Okay, so and Tenaga actually Tenaga actually as we can know that because last few months or weeks, and I think coming weeks also the weather will be continue hot. Okay, so when you have the continue okay, all your aircon will be used a lot. Okay, so the main source of income and Tenaga got a lot also the subsidized on government is already reduced. There's actually a lot of you can see your Tenaga, your electrical bill is getting higher. Okay, so that's why sure the income for Tenaga sure will be very good. Okay, so and this one will be sure attract a lot of investor, especially local investor and foreign investor to jump in into this kind of stock. Okay, so that's why the continual or moving of the Naga actually is quite looking good lah. Okay, from the chart. Okay, and beside this one, and also we know that YTL Power and YTL has been pushing out our FBM KLCI index going higher and higher. Okay, so waiting for it to load. Okay, so when but however, because now we are quite near to May. Okay, original usually in May we have a not a really a good month. Okay, not really a good month here. Okay, so actually quite how to say we are quite in preparation. Okay, so we are afraid that, okay, so this one may touch 1600, maybe a half hour out, then there will be have a healthy pullback. Actually, a market need to have a healthy pullback. Okay, just that in our this situation, okay, the market might be for, because we are now in a upper trend. Okay, so this line actually is a 20 MA. Okay, always look into your chart when you for the major direction, when you reference to 200 MA. Okay, so then after that you have a, we are just afraid that this one go up a little bit, then will be have a correction. Okay, so most of the time when you come to a major correction, okay, so the support will be in at 200 MA. Okay, but however, before they hit 200 MA, you will see this line cross first lah. Okay, this line cross first, whereby it's called that is a this is a when it cross will be a 40 and this is 20 MA. Okay, 40 MA and 20 MA. Okay, so that for stock it cannot be continue moving up, but if you what we see here in F&B KLCI, we have a very good accumulation along the stack. Okay, so you have a stage 1, stage 2. Now they are going up for a likely to hit another stage. Okay, so we hope that it can continue higher, then go up higher. Actually, we don't want to see something like break out like this kind coming out down again. Okay, but however, we did not know. Now it look like when you are analysis on the foreign fund, actually foreign fund is coming in. Foreign fund is look like it's coming in around here, but because we know that now most of the stock is in our local institute. Okay, so but when foreign fund coming in, I did not know that they need to buy it high or not. Okay, because foreign fund will not buy at high. Okay, foreign fund, you remember, foreign fund, they will not, well, never buy at high one. Okay, never buy at high one. When they come and buy, usually you are low one. Okay, by hook or by crook, they will push you to down first before they're coming in. Okay, because most of the time in stock, who will buy at the top is usually retail investor. There is a weak holder. Okay, weak holder will only buy at the top. Okay, at the top one. Okay, at the top. Okay, so foreign fund usually they won't cash you won't cash them at the top one. Okay, they will come and buy, but they will make sure to push your index down before they jump in. Okay, but however, foreign fund is not only focus on this 30 stock that is in our index. Okay, so mainly there will be everywhere okay, from all the stock that is in our market. Okay, so you can see here the here is the of this one. Okay, so we will go back to okay, the sector. So all the sector actually is looking good. Okay, we can looking good, and you can here actually in this trade VSA has been giving a very good summary. Okay, for you to see that the percentage of Pentagon. So okay, so you can see also the duration here. Okay, so more the duration is higher. That means it's already continuous. How long the green Pentagon has been activated. Okay, so you can see back like this construction has been coming 4 days ago, coming back. Okay, and you can see that our industrial product also quite running for a while already. And you can also focus on utility. What we can know that utility really has been going up due to the YTL power and YTL the YTL corporation. Okay, so all this one will be a very how to say, it's a quite a good indicator that our stock is market is likely to continue moving up. But just that is what worry me is it is in finance. Suppose finance for hopefully the next week, finance also will be turning to green Pentagon. Okay, so this is a little bit about our market. Okay, so for this for the following next week, okay, so usually we will go to the some search for some stock, okay, to analyze, not recommended to buy, but usually myself will look into the stock to analyze the stock, whether it's worthy to, what is the direction, okay, after the stock has been triggered by this pentagon, by green pentagon. Okay, usually when because my style of invest thing is usually using a pullback strategy, so that's why I will back to a few days back, okay, to select the stock that is in potential, but is in a pullback pullback how to say pullback situation. Okay, so you can see here okay. Okay, a little bit slow loading. Okay, so usually when we look back to the stock here, usually I will take this a percentage until 3rd May. Okay, so 3rd May I will look for the red one. Red one just means from the pentagon trigger, okay, up to now, up to 3rd May. Okay, so what is the percentage? If the percentage is negative, that means might be some pullback is already been performed. Okay, so like this macro, okay, we can see on the macro, see what is it to load. Okay, I think I transfer this one straight away into the trading view. Okay. Got the line, I think it's a little bit slow. Okay. Paste it here. Okay. It's okay. Macro. Okay, let the chart look like. Okay, while it's waiting the loading, we can go to this chart here. Maybe you can see the SLVEST. Actually, SLVEST is I think SLVEST is has a downtrend already. This one, so might be we are coming to our next one. Okay, so macro, I think this is not really good. Okay, so because the penny stock is too low. Okay, it's too low. You'll be not really a good investing. Okay, so before that, okay, I also want to share. Some of the member has asked me about when we are selecting in the pentagon green. Actually, I also want to highlight that is you also need to know where is this green pentagon is come from. Okay, so you can go to this well, I show you FBM 70. Okay, so this is our mid cap. Okay, so when you are selecting this pentagon, okay, so you can see that here got a lot of this come from which sector, and also before you seeing all this sector, you also need to pay attention when is it come from which index. Okay, when you are investing a lot of is in come from ACE market or small cap. Okay, so you'll find that most of the stock that you are purchased is not making money. Is because last few days we have a small cap drop. I think last 2 weeks, 1 week plus ago, we have a pullback. Okay, a major pullback in a lot of small, medium. There's small cap and also the ACE market. Okay, so when you have a pullback like this, you got a lot of stock, you're stuck there. Okay, so but however, let's say if you are investing some stock that is component of this mid 70. Okay, so like Sunway property. Okay, and also KOSSAN also the same. KOSSAN, okay, KOSSAN is look very good set up. Okay, so and also if you are in this FNB FBN 70, you will find that most of the stock you buy, you did not lose a lot. Okay, because it's in a very super bull. Okay, the index is in super bull. That's why when you are in sector, let's say you buy a correct sector. Okay, correct sector like utility. Okay, there is like YTL. Okay, plus the index also in bullish. Okay, in bullish. Okay, so these two combined, actually you will have your stock like not affected by any news from outside or any down or correct from a US market or a Hang Seng Index market. Okay, so that's why when you are choosing a stock in the Pentagon guide, you need to be very careful of what type of stock you are selecting. Okay, so example like this macro is look like the chart is really not really a favorite chart. So you make sure you don't trade this type of stock. Like if you are a very experienced one, might be you can try, but myself is always avoid this kind of stock lah. This quite if you have an insider news, then a different story lah. Okay, so example like what we see here is a SLVEST. Okay, SLVEST, you can see here a few times the Pentagon trigger is certainly come to a red color. Okay, so you can see the entire here we have a very long accumulation. Okay, they have a long accumulation, then suddenly go up, but you can see here the power of pushing out is not like equivalent. Okay, this means you have keep here quite a number of months. After that you go up. Okay, so only not a very high go up. Okay, so you go up until here, then you suddenly like no more power already in sideways. Okay, so when you have this type of stock, okay, and if you are if you have subscribed my this VF V, VF indicator, you can see here the stock is moving up, but the VF trick zone already start in red color. Okay, when you have a starting in a red color, that's actually is not really a good signal. Okay, so from here you can see even though have a red, it's steadily turn to green, then go up some more lah. Okay, but this sometimes this stock cannot happen too many times, still continue going up one. Okay, so anytime when you have see this red color of a VF trade zone actually sound the background has been selling. Okay, so some smart money when they want to sell the stock, okay, said that they don't want to sell it like zoom. Okay, fast sell down, then there will be not earning too much. Okay, the best is they're hovering, sell here, then after that let's say the buying momentum is good, then I go up a little bit more, then at this level I try to sell. Okay, continue selling. Okay, so that's why when you are seeing a lot of blue and red triangle, there's me a lot of background at the hidden selling at the background. Okay, so for this kind of stock to enter here actually is not preferable lah. Okay, so if he touch back to 200 MA, then will be something that we can think about it. Okay, we can think about it. But however, this stock is the setup actually is not really look promising. Okay, so because we have a tendency of here actually is smart money distribution. Okay, so even though because it's already run a few times already. Okay, so that's why this SLVEST also is not looking good. Okay, so that's why when we are scan of a store, we need to go through a lot of things to see. Okay, so example like this Kamda actually is a retailer. Okay, this is selling a lot of like a supermarket selling. Okay, but this one I would prefer to see into a building material. Okay, building material and transport logistic actually is a quite good in the month sense of a month regular month. That is these two actually come quite good for June and July one. Actually transport for June and July actually is quite good. Okay, so because a lot of earlier first quad and second quad delivery, all the there will be some how to say the result actually reflect usually come after third quad report. Okay, so you can see this the Tiong-Nam. Okay, so Tiong-Nam look quite good. Okay, when you are come to here, you paste it. Okay. Okay, so the mainly we are show here more is to the members how you really look into chart, and when you want to have analyze how the things is move using the indicator. Okay, so the indicator actually is just give you extra information. Okay, they did not give you 100%. Okay, 100%. How to say promise the stock will continue running high. Okay, okay. So back to this one. Actually, till now, the setup is quite good. It's because you can see here you have a accumulation. You need to pay more attention when a stock accumulate at 200 MA. Okay, 200 MA actually is a very quite important line. Okay, to give you a big direction. Okay, this is your big direction. Okay, yeah, when you see here, okay, so when you come to big direction, actually Dionam is going to go up here into 2021, then recovery, then come back, drop down, and he's kind rebounding back. Okay, when you see this 200 MA, it look like it's in a long-term recovery. Okay, when it's come to a recovery and the stock now hovering near this 200 MA, actually is quite a that means the likelihood of accumulation is higher. Okay, accumulation when you determine the stock is possible is in accumulation is the best is when you saw the sideways market is happen in 20 moving average. Okay, in overall when you are in this 20 moving and it did not break down, because when you break down, then your 200 MA will go down, then your overall trend will go down. Okay, but you can see here the overall trend actually still hovering and going like projected to moving up higher. Okay, so but however this one has a breakout and come back to their resistance level. Okay, so this is a really a resistance level, and but what we have promising is when we saw the Pentagon has been triggered green. Okay, and the best thing is you can see the VF trade zone. This is a VF trade zone also in green, and the VF trade line also above this momentum line. Okay, so when you see here, when these two development plus the Pentagon, okay, so Pentagon green, okay, so you can see that this is actually quite a very good promising, and also you can see the volume. Okay, when you look into a volume, you need to see the price here. You see, this is one of the high volume bar, and this is a high volume bar, and you are here will be another here is one high volume bar, and around here you will be a high volume, and this is high volume. When you are looking at the high volume, you don't always focus is a red or green. Okay, when the red or green, actually just that important is after that. Okay, after is it the price going down or going up, because equivalent of volume when you have a sell is not mean that it's a totally the whole bar is sell. Okay, so you just close down the price has been dropped a little bit at that day. Okay, but you did not know the whole day actually is might be a whole day someone is buying. Okay, or you have a weak holder in selling, then transfer to a smart money, where smart money is getting buying and buying. Okay, so but the important thing is when you see a chart, you need to know the volume, the price. Okay, the price level. Okay, so when you see a high volume, it's always hovering this kind of point. You see this kind of point. Okay, this kind of point and plus is the 200 MA is that mean this whole activity is very likely is a accumulation is happening. Okay, so when you are look for this breakdown in breakout, and you can see that some selling pressure is coming in, but it been how to say be supported, and you can see the volume has been dry up here. Okay, so this means this is actually is quite a very promising stock that might be going up. Okay, so you can know that Tiongnan is a logistic. Okay, and you usually then you're back to the season rotation that you are when you come to how to say the transport. Okay, transport usually when you come to I think it's in the here. Wait, I need to go back to the season. Okay, actually the season and all these things need to be coming together when you are selecting a stock here. Okay, example also Astino also is a I can say that this one actually is a besi. This is in a besi industrial. I think it's a metal. Okay, I come back to here. Okay, so I need to log in and back again. Eh, need to be jumping up here. Okay, so I think while waiting here to load, we go to see any Astino and see or load already. Okay, so you can see here this stock, two stock. Okay, uh, waiting to load. Okay, to see, I want to show you the rotation. Okay, but never mind. This here the Astino is already finished loading. Okay, so you can see here, when you are comparing these two stock. Okay, okay, so over direct. Okay, so you can see here, like what I say that, okay, so earlier in the Tiong one, you can see here the same thing happened in Astino, okay, and now actually Tiong is happening here, okay, and you can see here the Astino has already moving up for a while, and then you have a pullback, and he's coming up again. Okay, so when you are focused this time, that's why when you want to catch a good stock, okay, you need to focus on accumulation is happen in 200 MA. Okay, 200 MA actually is a very good guideline. Okay, so when you see this one and coupling with some these two indicator and also Pentagon actually give you a very good review, okay, on how the stock is going to move. Okay, but of course, okay, when you are seeing a stock and happen this thing area, okay, and this area actually sometimes will cause you to cut loss. Okay, when you have a cut loss, never when you are trading, you need to have a plan. Okay, just follow your plan. Okay, if the things is really cut into a 200 MA and go to a 40 MA, actually is quite a dangerous. Okay, it might be rebound a bit and come down some more. Okay, so this is because our market currently now is very good. Okay, how about if the during the Iran fight back the Israel when they are fighting the missile there can has caused some chaos. Okay, so actually the market might be pulling downward. So that's why when you are cut loss up here, is nothing wrong with your plan. Your plan is working perfectly. Okay, to protect you for more loss. Just that we did not know how sometimes the entire market. Okay, so when it's running, how to say, everyone see that the conflict is getting higher, but we also see stock is going up higher. Okay, so sometimes also puzzling. Okay, puzzling. Okay, so that's why we do not know. So when you have plan is help you to minimize the loss. Okay, minimize is not 100% cure. Okay, so when you have this one, you can see is going up here and your market is been performing back. Okay, so then you can decide that whether you need to jump back to the stock or not. Okay, but however, for Astino, I just want to be alert is because this one is green, but this one is still in blue, red color. So this one, it might be something like this. Okay, so we do not know that, just that this thing like got some hidden selling at the back. Okay, so but I think this indicator why is red is because the volume is not good enough. Okay, so if you have a high volume here to rebound, okay, usually this red will turn to green color. Okay, so that's why the situation of the indicator will be detected to help you. Okay, so when you want to identify the weakness. Okay, so but this rebound actually is not that cantik, is whereby the volume is not really a good one. Okay, so comparing between Astino and Tiong, I think Tiong is coming. Okay, Tiong is coming, that's why you can see the volume also coming. Okay, so I go back to here. I want to show you is the season. Okay, season, we go back to a dashboard. Dashboard, move this one first. Okay, we go back to desktop. Okay. So actually, TradingView is quite a very good software. Give you a one-time. You can see all things together. Okay. So you can go to here. Actually, you go to this season. Okay. This is the thing. I make it more bigger. Okay. Before you this why when you are selecting a stock at this Pentagon guy is not all sometimes some is performing, some is not. Like example now plantation, okay, because plantation actually is been pulled back, okay. FMB this FCPO has been pulling back, okay. So when you see a pulling back, then it will cause the plantation also pulling back. But when the FCPO is coming back, all this stock will be your choice again. Okay. So but the season is not there yet. Okay. So you can be alert here is the KLCI. Okay, KLCI you can see that May. This is May and this is September. Okay. Usually I will concentrate a lot of short market when it happen in September. Okay. September in the history is never be a stock is going out. Okay. Sorry. So this one is usually not something like a repeating that is 100%, but there will be a reason why September is like this one. Okay, so there will be a lot of market want to selling. They need to come out from the market. Okay, so that's why cause this thing to happen in the history. Okay, so in May you can see that it's not always the red. You also have some chance to be green. Okay, so that's why hopefully this year we will see some green in May. Okay. So before that one, I want to go to this one is when I go to this FPM to find the no, this thing I think is we need to go to wait first. Okay, I go to transport. I see can have a transport. Oh, sorry, KL. I think it's not here. Okay, never mind. I try to copy from here, come back to here, see whether we can get anything. KL transport. Okay, so this is the KL transport. Okay, you can see here actually in the month of coming okay, so when you are coming to the June and July, actually even though you have some negative here, sometimes it's because caused by COVID. Okay, but normally this is 2 months that is quite a very good in a normal situation. The transport actually is quite making a good in June and July. Okay, but you can see that along the way for this year we have a really continuous for 5 months. Okay, the transport, but you don't know that because crisis has happened. So that's why the transport, okay, what we see that is making a good profit. Okay, so that's why when you are choosing like Nam and ASTINO, okay, so you also need to be add in the sector rotation, okay, and also the index. Okay, so that's why these two stock actually is quite good that I will be monitoring for next week. Okay, so this is not recommended to buy sell, just to demo how we read the chart and do some stock pick. Okay, to analyze, to learn. Okay, so from this Trade VSA in this Pentagon scanner. Okay, so before I think before I end the season, okay, so our last one will be a little bit recap for KOSSAN that is already in the group. Also have some share that the thing is going to break up. Okay, so you can see here also the same thing when you analyze the stock. Okay, when you have analyzed stock, you see here the price has been accumulated near 200 ml also. Okay, this is considered near lah. Okay, this is considered near. Some you can get is at the 200 MA. Okay, so but make sure that you either you have near 200 or above 200. Below 200 don't lah. Okay, below 200 might be a distribution one. This is not guaranteed, and the likelihood to go up might be not that strong. Okay, above 200 MA will be better, and also between 200 MA. Okay, so when you have like this one, the when it's go up, it's quite fast one. Okay, compared like the SLVEST that's go here already stop. Okay, so it's not look like really promising. Like at least he meet this 200 MA and accumulate again, and then will be another jump. That might be a good lah. But sometimes this accumulation will take you maybe a 6 month. Okay, so like this one, the accumulation start around mid of June, June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay, so will be already 6 months already. Half year is Dido there. Okay, then all your money will be stuck there. Okay, so when you have a breakout like this game, we can see that KOSSAN is making a good breakout, and also you know that healthcare sector is coming back. Okay, so that might be giving a boost to all this they are inside their stock. Okay, so this one also a stock that will be continue monitor next week. Okay, so hopefully the next week we will have see a very good progress to stock is going up. But however, be careful. Okay, when the finance stock is continue to be red, that might be some problem at the background. Okay, so finance supposed to be leading. Okay, it's like the leading indicator to the entire our stock. If it's lagging in red, so need to be careful also lah. Okay, when something is not correct, it's not right. Okay, it's time to take profit and come out first. Okay, so that's all for this week. Okay, so hopefully we can see or discuss again to share how to look into the chart. Okay, next week. So by then, okay, take care and have a good weekend. Okay, bye.